Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today I will show you how to make bootable pen drive without any software. Let's go start. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the Windows key and type in the CMD and click on Command Prompt into the search bar. Type diskpart and then select Enter. In the new command line window that opens, determine the USB flash drive number or drive letter by typing list disk, and then select Enter. The list disk command displays all the disks on the computer. Note the drive number or drive letter of the USB flash drive. Type clean, and then select Enter. This command deletes all data from the USB flash drive. To create a new primary partition on the USB flash drive, type Create Partition Primary, and then select Enter. Type List Partition and press Enter. To select the partition that you just created, type Select Partition 1, and then select Enter. If your server platform supports Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, UEFI, you should use the FAT32 format rather than NTFS. To format the partition as FAT32, type Format FS equals FAT32 Quick, and then select Enter. Type Active, and then select Enter. Type Exit. When you finish preparing your custom Windows image, save it to the root folder of the USB flash drive. Select All and copy data. Paste it. Some minutes wait for the completed copy. Now check the pen drive. Successfully boot the pen drive. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.